to me again with the wobbly camera. It just doesn't want to stop wobbling. But anyway, yeah, I got a new gadget today. It's not really an expensive gadget. It's not really an exciting gadget at all. But seeing as I'm always cleaning the bench, right? I forgot this last week. Talk about expensive. I bought this just for this task of sweeping all the stuff. Yeah, I just swept it all over the floor. I cleaned the floor. Harbor Freight. I think it was $1.99. Can't go wrong with a Chinese-made brush. I mean, it is so well made that they didn't even take the little wooden burrs out of the inside there. But you know what? Who gives a shit, right? It was $1.99. It wasn't $8.99. It wasn't $7.99. It was $1.99. So one of the semi-decent purchases, a 7-inch bench brush, which, looking at it now, I never realized it said bench brush. So you know what that means? They made it just for me, so I can clean my bench. Yeah, I love China. I like Chinese food too. So, yeah, Harbor Freight, under $5. Maybe should be at that store, 5 and under. So yeah, if you like cleaning your bench like me on video, just get a little sweeping and go buy a, put it back this way, buy a Harbor Freight bench brush. Thanks for watching.